Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch GTX, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the controls menu or quick panel. And in this menu you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like the moon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon and the icon will change the color, and also you will see the message at the top, Do Not Disturb mode on. And once you enable the mode, you can go back to watch face by pressing the upper button. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the icon. The message Do Not Disturb mode off will be displayed, and the icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And then you can go back to watch face by pressing the upper button. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.